Hello gardeners! Today I'll show you how to use simple baking soda to boost your cucumber harvest naturally. Many gardeners already know that baking soda is a powerful natural remedy with antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's commonly used in the kitchen, but it can also work wonders in the garden. Baking soda is especially effective for preventing powdery mildew, one of the most common diseases affecting cucumbers. It can also help repel aphids, spider mites, and other sucking pests. When used correctly, baking soda is safe for plants and beneficial insects, including bees. The key is to apply it before diseases spread or as soon as the first symptoms appear. Now let's prepare the solution. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to 10 liters of warm water. Then mix in 50 grams of laundry soap dissolved in hot water. The soap helps the solution stick to the leaves longer and improves its effectiveness. Spray the plants every 10 to 14 days, especially after rain, since moisture encourages fungal diseases. Make sure to spray the entire plant carefully, including the underside of the leaves. To avoid leaf burn, apply the solution in the evening or on a cloudy day when there is no strong sunlight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more gardening tips.